CNC machined bone plates come in various sizes and shapes, making them ideal for CAD/CAM automation. This video shows how hyperMILL handles complex setups efficiently to reduce programming times significantly. We start by loading the part, which is automatically aligned. Then the stock is generated, and the part is securely clamped in the loaded fixture. After that, feature recognition identifies important areas, and we can interact by selecting a surface for finishing with tangential machining. So as you can see, there's always the possibility for interactive processes. To ensure proper holding during machining, we split a curve by picking 2 points. We remove the upper section manually, and hyperMILL automatically creates new surfaces below. These keep the part stable until separation. Once the setup is ready, the machining jobs are loaded and also calculated. After the calculations, the part is fully prepared, and the automation center closes automatically. On the right, you'll see additional layers for fixturing, stock model, support geometries, and finishing surfaces, all generated automatically as well. Finally, the toolpaths can be seen for all these jobs in the job list, showing roughing from both sides, drilling, and finishing jobs. If you want to learn more about CAD/CAM automation, feel free to contact us.